Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are talking about poison dart frogs. Number 1, the poison dart frog gets its poison from the food it eats, millipedes and ants. Number 2, scientific name, Dendrobatidae. Number 3, lifespan 3 to 15 years. Number 4, size 1 inch. Number 5, Embra people of Colombia uses the poison dart frog's poison to make weapons. And the poison dart frog's poison is called batrachotoxin. It's related to neurotoxin, but causes paralysis.